Certified Ethical Hacker Course. A Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) course is designed to teach individuals how to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in computer systems, networks, and applications. The course covers a wide range of topics related to ethical hacking and provides students with the knowledge and skills necessary to become an ethical hacker. The following is a typical course outline for a Certified Ethical Hacker course. 1. Introduction to Ethical Hacking. Introduction to Ethical Hacking. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is the practice of testing computer systems, networks, and applications to identify and fix potential security vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Ethical hackers use the same tools and techniques as cybercriminals, but with the permission and cooperation of the organization whose systems they are testing. Ethical hackers are typically trained professionals who possess a deep understanding of various operating systems, programming languages, and security technologies. They often have specialized certifications, such as the Certified Ethical Hacker (CEH) certification, to demonstrate their expertise and knowledge in the field. Overall, ethical hacking plays an important role in keeping our digital infrastructure safe and secure, and can help organizations stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Different types of hackers. There are several types of hackers, each with their own motivations and goals. Here are some of the most common types of hackers. 1. White hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who are hired by organizations to find and fix security vulnerabilities in their systems. 2. Black hat hackers. These are criminals who use their hacking skills to exploit vulnerabilities in systems for personal gain, such as stealing sensitive data or causing damage to the system. 3. Gray hat hackers. These hackers do not have malicious intent but may break into systems without permission to identify and report vulnerabilities. They often do this to gain recognition or to challenge themselves. 4. State-sponsored hackers. These are hackers who are funded by government agencies and work to gain access to classified information from other countries. It's important to note that not all hackers are criminals, and some may use their skills for ethical purposes. However, it's also important to take steps to protect your digital assets from malicious hackers. Phases of ethical hacking. The phases of ethical hacking generally follow a structured approach to ensure a comprehensive and thorough assessment of the security posture of an organization. Here are the typical phases of ethical hacking. 1. Planning and reconnaissance. In this phase, the ethical hacker gathers information about the target system, including the network topology, IP addresses, and domain names. 2. Scanning. In this phase, the ethical hacker uses various tools to identify the open ports, services, and vulnerabilities in the target system. 3. Gaining access. In this phase, the ethical hacker attempts to exploit the identified vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to the target system. 4. Maintaining access. In this phase, the ethical hacker establishes a foothold in the system and maintains access to it for a longer period, allowing them to gather more information. It's important to note that the phases of ethical hacking may vary depending on the scope and objectives of the engagement. For example, a penetration test may focus primarily on the gaining access and maintaining access phases, while a vulnerability assessment may focus more on the scanning phase. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.